Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here. If you're looking to get rid of that index.php that you see right up above here in the URL, it is easy to get rid of. And it may be just one of those things that you just noticed now and you say, well, how can I share a link that's got an index.php? It's very easy to get rid of. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your dashboard of your WordPress site, head to dashboard, and you're going to scroll all the way down to settings. Once you get to settings, you're going to click on permalinks, scroll down, and you're going to see this custom structure here. Now with custom structure, it automatically says index.php. What you're going to do is you're going to go to post name, and you want to keep it post name. That's what you're going to want to do to keep it that way, so that you won't see that index.php. Click save changes. Let's go to one of the pages that we just created. And you can see here right up above, it just says chapters, but there is no index.php. So it's an easy way to get rid of that. It can be a nuisance, but it's really simple to do. And if you're looking to learn a bit more about SEO with YouTube, just be sure to visit the description box below and see more WordPress videos like this. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one.